In primetime news this evening, persons who knew man fatally shot at Dovecot dispute claims he was mentally ill. Prisoner escapes custody while at Kingston Public Hospital. And St. James Police warn against gun salutes.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. In business news today, Jamaica Stock Exchange suspends trading of MFS Capital Partners.
And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Gio. Well, reggae boy Michael Antonio is out of hospital 3 weeks or more than 3 weeks after a serious motor vehicle accident. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. And Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. As we move into tomorrow, we are expecting generally sunny conditions to affect most of the island in the morning with an increase in clouds in the afternoon. We're not seeing significant shower activity affecting the Jamaica area over the next couple of days.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your New Year's resolutions for 2025?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.